Are you seeing the unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit message while playing Roblox on your computer? Don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix this error. So let's get started and get you back into the game. Solution 1. First, turn on compatibility options for Roblox. To do this, first right-click on Roblox Player from your desktop and select Properties. Then switch to Compatibility tab from this window. Check the Run this program compatibility mode 4 box. Next, select Windows 7 from this menu. Also, check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as an administrator boxes. Then click on Apply and then on OK to save your settings. Now check if you can play Roblox without this error. Solution 2. If not, delete temporary Roblox folder from your computer. For this, type Run in the search bar here and open it up. Then type %temp% and press Enter. Now, from this folder, find the Roblox folder and delete. Lastly, open up Roblox and see if the error is gone. Solution 3. If the error is still popping up, try uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox from your computer. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings, click on Apps and then Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the 3-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now to reinstall Roblox, go to roblox.com with your favorite browser. Click on any games and hit the play button. This window will pop up. Click on Download and install Roblox and it'll start downloading the installer. After the download is finished, open up Roblox Player Installer.exe and it will start installing Roblox on your computer. After it finishes, you should be able to play Roblox without this error. So guys, that's how you solve the unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit error in Roblox. If the video was helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you later.